in order that Jamaica's participation in global trade can significantly improve the lives of the Jamaican people, it is important for us to consistently strengthen our export capacity through a major and deliberate strategy.
And that is where the National Export Strategy comes into play. Phase 2 was launched in August to broaden and improve the environment for business and trade.
Achieving the growth we need will require that we activate dormant exporters, expand our production base, and encourage new entrepreneurs in the export sector.
The end goal? Economic growth and job creation.
I believe we all agree that an increase in exports presents the most viable option for rapid GDP growth and increased investor confidence in our country.
And this confidence is growing. Just recently, the Agriculture Ministry, farmers, exporters, and a contingent from the United States met to finalize trade exports. And the National Export Strategy 2 will take that further, as it focuses on key sectors such as manufacturing, mining, film and animation, agro-processing and information technology-enabled services.
We have no choice but to fully integrate our economy into global value chains for the production and delivery of goods and services around the world. This will make the Jamaican economy more open for investments and better ready for increased exports.
Indeed, one of the main advantages of NES 2 is the deliberate attempt to clearly identify the owners and stakeholders of each export initiative and the development of a system to ensure ongoing communication to facilitate monitoring and evaluation of its implementation.
NES 2 will run from 2015 to 2019, continuing the platform that was set from Phase 1 between 2009 and 2013. For the next 4 years, NES 2 will continue to increase the country's export capacity to improve our trade performance.
The government is committed to creating the enabling environment to support your success, because your success is Jamaica's success. We're on a course. We have to continue on this course in the interest of Jamaica's economy, and more so to the benefit of our people.
Tied to the growth agenda is employment. And the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, KSAC, is facilitating that through its Enterprise Assistance Program. In February 2015, the corporation launched its $2 million program for assisting young people to start or develop their own micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, which will facilitate employment. The aim is to create sustainable economic activities that will benefit the residents of the municipality. The beneficiaries are between the ages of 18 and 29.
We decided to support this group as we recognize that they face significant challenges when it comes to finding employment.
The financial assistance took the form of 3 grants. The first, a wage incentive.
And that is 5 grants of up to $130,000 each. The wage incentives will be offered to businesses with up to 10 employees who see the potential of employing young persons between the ages of 18 and 29.
The second is startup grants, targeting the same age group.
These grants of up to $50,000 will help applicants who have a viable business idea and just need that extra financial support to launch their business.
And people who need assistance to take their business to the next level benefited from the Business Development Grant. 7 of these grants, valued at up to $100,000, were disbursed to help with the expansion, diversification, and growth of businesses. In June 2015, 6 aspiring entrepreneurs were awarded a combined $430,000 in grants across the 3 areas. Their business interests range from farming to internet and printing services.
By utilizing this program, persons can benefit from training, guidance, and mentorship,
which will allow these businesses to learn from successful, established business owners and business advisors.
22 businesses will benefit directly from the program, with another 10 or 15 local businesses expected to be contracted by successful applicants for the supply of goods and services. The KSAC Enterprise Assistance Program is a key component of the Local Economic Development Program of the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development. So as government strengthens the export platform through policies and programs and enables growth in businesses, we can expect an increase in jobs and growth in the country's economic performance.